Hi, as a student, I believe that the Rizal Law is still effective in instilling patriotism and nationalism in us, but it really depends on how we will look at it. When I studied Rizal's life, and especially his novels No Limitang Hiri and El Filibusterismo, I realized that they are not just old stories from the past. They actually reflect real struggles like injustice, abuse of power, and inequality that we still experience in different ways today. Learning about Rizal makes me more aware of our history, and it reminds me that our freedom today came from the sacrifices of people like him. Personally, reading about Rizal inspires me to think about rule as a Filipino. It makes me ask myself, what can I do, even in simple ways, to help our country? Whether it's being responsible, respecting others, or standing up for what is right, these are small acts of nationalism that Rizal himself valued. But I also see that not all students take the Rizal law seriously. Sometimes it feels like just another subject we need to pass. That's why I think teachers have a big responsibility to make Rizal's lessons more connected to our present lives. If we understand how his values apply to today's problems like corruption, discrimination, or even how we treat each other as Filipinos, then it becomes more meaningful. In the end, I believe the Rizal Law is effective, especially when we open our hearts and minds to its lessons. Rizal dreamed of a united and strong Philippines, and as a students, we carry that responsibility. For me, patriotism is not only about remembering history, but about living out those values in the present. Thank you.